Hey everybody, I'm Ted from Tebex. In this tutorial we are looking at how to switch between different versions of Java. Before I knew this trick, I was uninstalling Java, installing the version that I needed, and then if I needed a different version, uninstalling the version I had installed and installing the version that I needed again. This is definitely not the best way. There is a built-in way inside of Windows where you can switch between versions of Java. On the paper MC documentation, you can see that the different kinds of version of Minecraft need different kinds of version of Java. If you don't have the proper version running, for example, you can see here I am able to start my 1.12 server, but if I try to start 1.17, it just flashes and it instantly closes. There is an actual message that you can see on screen now, and it tells you that you're not running the correct version of Java. But I think for most people, it just looks like it flashes and instantly closes, and people don't know what the issue is. Let's first figure out what version of Java we are running. So I'm going to press the Windows key and R to get the run prompt and then type cmd and press OK. If we then type java space dash dash version and press enter, you can see that I'm running the open JDK 11, so Java 11, which is the reason that 1.12 is working, but 1.17 isn't working, because 1.17 needs Java 17. If I go to my program files and to Java, you can see that these are the versions I have installed. So I have both 17 and 11 installed. I will link to this page below, which is the Minecraft fandom, and it has some interesting information also about Java. You probably want to use the Open JDK because, as you see here, the Oracle JDK requires a paid license if you're using it for commercial or production use. So I have both installed and I have this folder open. We need this in a second. So let's see how we can switch between the versions of Java. Opening up my start file and searching for variable, you can see it tells me I can edit the system environment variables. I have two options. If you select the bottom one that doesn't say control panel, it will give you the right window, but it will not allow you to edit the variables. So make sure you choose the one that says control panel. If it's not selected, select Advanced at the top and then click on Environment Variables. I'm not going to change anything up here. I'm going to go to Path and then Edit. You can see here I have both Java 11 and Java 17 in this list. Let's say Java 17 wasn't here, so I'm just going to delete it. How do you add the Java 17 to this list? That's where this folder comes in handy. So I'm going to go to Java 17, open up the bin folder, click at the top, and then copy the full path to the bin folder of Java 17. Back at this screen, I'm going to say new, paste in my link to the bin folder, and then what we need to do is move it to the top. Whichever version is at the top is the Java version it's going to run. So now instead of 11 like I had before, I have 17 at the top. So let's press OK. We need to open up a new command prompt. So Windows key R and then type in cmd and press enter. You cannot use the same window or it will not update. Same thing, Java space dash dash version. And you can see I'm now running 17. So now I am able to open up my 17 server. If I wanted to switch back, once again, go to Environment Variables, go to Path, press Edit, and then move 11 to the top. Now, just simply by doing that, I am able to open up my 12 server again. So it is actually very simple to switch between the two different versions. So once again, figure out what version of Java you need for the server that you are trying to run. Install that version of Java, go to the environment variables, add the bin folder to the list if it's not there, move it all the way to the top, and then it should be working. I will link to these two pages as well in the video description. Hopefully this was helpful. If anything is unclear, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, thank you for watching and good luck with your Tebex store.